Welcome to our RV motorhome walkthrough. Today, we will tour the Forest River Sunseeker Classic. This is the Model 3010DS. The Model 3010DS is a roomy 32-foot-long Class C gas-powered RV motorhome. The Sunseeker's design can host large groups. There are 4 sleeping areas, accommodating up to 8. This RV motorhome can accommodate over 1,700 pounds of cargo capacity. With over 100 cubic feet of basement cargo storage compartments, your cargo can easily fit. Engineered by the Rotocast company, the lockable storage compartments include the following. A pass-through compartment that can carry bulky cargo, such as a kayak, an outside shower wand, hookups for an LP gas grill, coax for the television, and ground fault outlets to power your outdoor equipment. The RV's exterior accessible systems include a 15-foot electric awning with porch lights, an automatic leveling system, heated water and waste holding tanks, city water, cable, and tanked-up connections. The RV's 2-inch aluminum-framed laminated side walls are topped with a fiberglass roof. An E-Series 450 Ford truck powers the over 12,000-pound RV with the new 7.3-liter V8 engine called Godzilla. This big gasoline-powered V8 produces 430 horsepower and 468 foot-pounds of torque. This RV with the Ford chassis can tow up to 7,500 pounds. The RV's Easy Ride system uses Bilstein shocks, Firestone air springs, and a Hellwig sway bar to provide a comfortable ride while improving handling and stability. The Sunseeker RV has driver assist safety technology. Included is a blind spot warning system, a color backup camera, and 2 side view cameras, giving the RV driver increased visibility and traffic awareness. Above the RV's cab, you will find a roomy bunk area accommodating 2. This king-size sleep area is climate-controlled and has privacy curtains. Walking around the motorhome living room, you immediately appreciate the lofty 7-foot ceilings. The living room is made extra wide by extending the motorized slide-out. The living room has a 66-inch jackknife couch, which folds down to a sleeping area. The RV's 2 Wi-Fi-enabled 32-inch TVs are wired for satellite and cable service. The Sunseeker kitchen appliances include a recessed 3-burner range with a flush glass cover, a 1.3 cubic foot convection microwave, and a 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. Prepare food on the solid countertop surrounded by a designer backsplash and under-cabinet lighting. Enjoy family meals around the U-shaped dinette, which also converts to a sleeping area. Use the centralized control panel to control and monitor the RV's water, gas, and electrical systems. The Sunseeker has a large queen-size bedroom with a slide-out. Enjoy the 60 by 74-inch bed, touch-enabled reading lights, a wall of storage, and a 32-inch Wi-Fi-enabled TV. Walk into a full-size shower. Enjoy warm water underneath a large ceiling skylight.